Tired of feeling lost in the world of artificial intelligence? Meet Terry Stone, your friendly AI educator. I'm Terry Stone, and I'm here to change how you think about AI. AI isn't just about complex code and algorithms. It's an incredible tool for creativity, learning, and fun in your daily life. Gone are the days when artificial intelligence was only in the hands of massive tech companies. Today, it's accessible to everyone. But let's be honest, getting started can feel a bit overwhelming. The sheer amount of information and jargon can make the first step feel complicated or intimidating. We'll address those common fears and break down the barriers, so you don't have to navigate this exciting world alone. This is where I come in. Meet Terry Stone, your personal guide. I'm here to be your friendly and approachable AI educator, focusing entirely on making these tools simple to understand. We focus on real learning, not confusing technical details or pushy sales pitches. I offer simple, fun, and hands-on lessons designed to quickly get you using AI effectively. If you're a student or a parent supporting one, you'll learn to use AI for school projects, research, and exciting new hobbies like digital art or robotics. For beginners, you'll discover practical ways to integrate AI into your daily life, from writing better emails to organizing tasks efficiently. Ready to unlock your potential with artificial intelligence? I invite you to join me and the growing community of learners. Let's learn together. Don't wait. Join a class today and begin your fun, simple, and exciting AI journey.